Good morning and welcome to the emerging technology ecosystem of AMTZ, India's first medical devices manufacturing and research ecosystem. We are in very challenging times as a community, as scientific society, and as patients. Newer diseases are making a mark on our daily life, but the older diseases have not subsided. And therefore, we are in an extremely critical time when the non-communicable diseases like cancers, like tumors, like cardiovascular diseases are now overlapping with the emerging trend of infectious diseases like COVID. Now, what this leads to is a very large set of things that deserve and require our attention. We do still need operation theatres, we do still need heart-lung machines, we do still need neurosurgical instruments, but we also need these things as simple as N95 masks or oxygen concentrators at home. The medical technology earlier used to influence only the healthcare value chain. It has started influencing common life now. Today, even school-going kids know what is an RT-PCR test. Today, even a homemaker knows what is the value of an oxygen concentrator. And therefore, this is the time when all of us must come together, build together for India and for the world. And therefore, Messrs. Frankfurt and AMTZ have got together along with the industry champions to bring together a large category of value chain providers in medical technology, the researchers, the innovators, the R&D specialists, the distributors, the makers, the manufacturers, the importers, the value adders, the packagers, the experimenters and the adopters, all of them together in one set of discussion where we look at the new technologies, we look at the new challenges, and we design new strategies on how to meet the emerging demand, both from the hospitals as well as the community or the society. Now, it is very fundamental to health that medical technology be safe and accurate. Safety and accuracy is benchmarked in medical technology because the cost of a technology not being safe is enormous. Indian medical technology market is about 55,000 crores per annum, and imports make about 63 to 65% of our value chain. This is the time when we can take a rededication call to ensure that we make not only for ourselves but we make in surplus to serve the world. RT-PCR kits for COVID, for example, the most affordable kits are today made in India. It's less than $4 a kit. About 1 million such RT-PCR kits are made every day at AMTZ itself. One of world's most affordable ventilators are made in India. We make about 300 ventilators every day. But if we were to change this scenario into a global supply powerhouse, it would not just be AMTZ. It would not just be you or me. It would be an entire gathering of dedicated professional entities across the country which converge to ensure that the technology platforms of these devices and machines are available equitably across manufacturers. The value chain of spares and components are sufficiently made available to all those who undertake good quality manufacturing, and that market access is transparent and ethical. And therefore, in order to serve the needs of the society, to make India a global powerhouse, let us come together under the umbrella of AMTZ and Messrs. Frankfurt to ensure that India becomes a powerhouse of medical technology, not just for Indian society, but for the world. Thank you.